Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to see who commented on an Instagram post using your PC. With the latest updates, navigating Instagram on a desktop has become more intuitive, and we're going to walk you through the simple steps to view comments on any post. First, open your web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Instagram feed. Now, find the post you're interested in. This could be a post from someone you follow, or even one of your own. Once you've located the post, look for the comment icon. It's usually represented by a speech bubble and is located below the post. Click on this icon to view all the comments on the post. You'll now see a list of everyone who has commented on the post, along with their comments. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to engage with others, respond to comments, or simply keep track of who's interacting with your content. Whether you're managing a personal or professional account, being able to see who's commenting on your posts is essential for building connections and fostering a community. One of the best things about viewing comments on Instagram via PC is the ease of use. You can quickly scroll through comments, reply to them, or even delete them if needed. Plus, using a keyboard makes it much easier to type out responses compared to typing on a mobile device. If you're looking to enhance your Instagram experience and make the most of your interactions, mastering how to view comments on posts is a great place to start. It's a straightforward process that can help you stay organized and connected with your audience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to see who commented on an Instagram post using your PC. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram and other social media platforms effectively.